what about this idea? A Mac Neo.
Command AI.
So this is similar to the MacBook, the new MacBook, Mac Neo. And yeah, I really like this idea, but not $399. Why not for $299? There is nothing in it. There is just a chip and the things around it. It's going to probably cost Apple $50. I don't know actually, but I think they could do it for $299.
Well, a couple of things. First of all, what if I was to tell you this already exists? Before the M1 was released, they released a developer unit of a Mac Mini.
They did.
Probably 18 or 16 or something like that. An A series chip, okay?
Yeah.
And then shortly afterwards, then the M1 came out, right? And that is just a rebranded A series chip. They just rebranded it from a marketing standpoint. It's the same chip that was in an iPhone, pretty much. So realistically, this is just an M1, probably more an M2, maybe an M2 Mac. But so that's that. Secondly, people have been comparing the MacBook Neo to the 12-inch laptop, but they are vastly different products. They are aimed at completely different audiences. The Mac Neo is for kids to introduce them to Macs. They don't do a lot on their whatever. Desktop arguably is geared more towards, quite naturally more towards power users, because it's it needs extra juice and whatever. So I don't know. It looks nice though. It looks fun.
But I feel like this can be really fun. Like you have this for OpenClaw, like for some light work that you can have for offices. This could work for many offices. I feel like people might stick it to the back of a monitor, and you can have something proper for very cheap, very
mass offices, because most people just buy MacBook Airs. I do think a lot of people do prefer laptops. There's a reason why the MacBook Neo exists, because the MacBook Mini, Mac Mini at one point was the gateway drug to Apple, but that was in the days where desktop computers were still quite popular. But now the laptop has just taken over now as all-in-one. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.